Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update of this file. So let's see. Uh, okay, so these were the changes amendment required. I've changed this plot to 9 values only, and it will populate accordingly. If there is any error, it won't show. If there is any value, it will show the template. Let me show you. Let's plot template one has few values in it, and you can see. Let me remove these arrows, and you will see the difference. Now the chart has populated, and you can see the change in graph. The graph is starting from zero as well. Let me get back to 3. You can see the value changing and the chart is also reducing itself. Only one value, maybe none. 5, none values. 6 and 7. Okay, so no values in it. Here I've already made an additional thing that if there will be nothing in it, it will show blank instead of zeros. Also added the temperature scale. Let me show you. Sorry, temperature unit has been added to the value. So whenever there will be a response in it, it will give you the uh, degree centigrade unit as well. Also, I have made some changes in the formatting. Added a column on the left, added a column on the right, and some border things so that I can show you that it's matching the formatting. Also, I have matched the border alignment for the charts and the size as well. I have tried to match the size with the given sheet, given image, sorry, and the formatting as well. I added some guidelines. We can more lighten these guidelines, sorry, grid lines, and let me highlight this one as well. Okay, seems better now, quite similar to the image shared. And let me show you how it's going to look when you are going to see the print preview. So I have set the print area so that you can see whenever you are trying to print it or create a PDF, it will show you exactly the same as in the image. Let's see this one here. You can see these are the two images. This is what we are plotting. The border alignment for sections, everything is quite similar. So that is it from my side. Please let me know. Yep, I have fixed also the 1.25 mm, though there is no wrapping of the line, and you can always, if this arrow is not your requirement, you can delete this one. Also, the plot area was also wrapping it to 0. Change this one as well, and all the charts are plotting starting from 0 as well. Now we can delete this image. You can delete this. Uh, Let me undo. So you can always delete these two things and the arrow on the 1.25 mm. Hope this is fine. If not, no problem. I'm open to any further modification. No problem at all. Please let me know. Thank you.